Alright, y'all, this is in my backyard of the snowstorm. It's really built up on this door, so I'm about to open it up to see. Not much, but there's usually a third step here. But it's gone. There's a little path I'm walking on. This is over in kind of like a garden area. I have a bowl over here. But let's see, this is kind of like a snowdrift area right here. All the pots are filled up with snow. My chair, it's really windy too. My chair blew over here. But let's see how deep it is here. Stick it in the ground. It's about 5 inches here too. It's still snowing, but let's look somewhere else because maybe that area is being blocked. Let's go back towards the shed. Yeah, it's about 5 inches here too, so I guess back here it was the same. I guess the only place that's steep is like a snowdrift right there. But here I have like this brick pile over here built on, but that's about it.